Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Lamtamang. Today I bring for you all broccoli and cheddar cheese soup recipe. Always do visit my profile, have a look, many more recipes are there, and please don't forget to hit the button, like, comment, share. Enjoy with your family, friends, and follow the recipe, and even you can use in your workplace. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई जहिले पनि मेरो प्रोफाइल भिजिट गर्नुहोला हेर्नुहोला र तपाईँहरूले चाहिँ आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा अथवा आफ्नो घरका साथीभाइहरूसँग चाहिँ तपाईँले रेसिपीलाई युज गर्नुहोला भन्न चाहे मैले र तपाईँहरू माझमा केही क्वेसनहरू जिज्ञासाहरू भएमा मलाई डाइरेक्ट मेसेज गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ है त ब्रोकोली एन्ड चेदर चिज सुप रेसिपी इन्ग्रेडिएन्ट्स 2 कप ब्रोकोली फ्लोरेस्ट fresh or frozen, 1 cup carrot shredded or julienne, 3 cup vegetable or chicken stock, 2 cup milk, whole or low fat, 1 cup cheddar cheese shredded, 3 tablespoon butter, 3 tablespoon all purpose flour, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, salt and black pepper to taste, pinch of nutmeg optional, add for the warmth. Instruction: prepare vegetable, steam or blanch broccoli forest for 3 to 4 minutes until just tender, set aside. Make the rooks in a pot, melt the butter over medium heat, add onion and garlic, saute until soft 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in flour and cook for 1 to 2 minutes to remove raw taste. Add liquids, gradually whisk in a stock, then milk, ensure no lumps. Simmer for 5 minutes until slightly thickened. Add vegetable, stir in broccoli and carrot, cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, letting flavor blend. Blend option: for a smoother texture, blend part of the soup and turn off the pot. Add cheese. Turn off the heat and stir in cheddar cheese until melt. Season with salt, pepper, and nutmeg if using. Serve hot. Garnish with extra cheddar cheese or croutons. Tips: for extra creaminess, replace part of the milk with cream. Use sharp cheddar for stronger flavor. If making ahead and cheese just before serving to prevent grainy texture. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and enjoy with your family friends. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ तपाईँहरू सबैजनालाई मेरो रेसिपी हेरिदिनु भएकोमा र माया र साथ सपोर्ट दिनुभएकोमा धन्यवाद छ. लभ यु अल. सी यु नेक्स्ट इन द भिडियो. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy with your life. Thank you very much.